Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions so you can spend your money on more important things like, more 3D printers. Today, we're throwing down between two titans of the 3D printing world, the Anycubic 4K plus resin printer and the AnkerMake M5C printer. It's resin versus filament, monochrome versus color, and $229 versus $399. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about the most sensitive subject, price. On the left, we have the Anycubic 4K Plus resin printer coming in at a wallet-friendly $229. On the right, the AnkerMake M5C, a little more bougie, at $399. That's $170 more. With that extra cash, you could buy yourself a pretty decent steak dinner and still have money left over for dessert. Just saying. Now, let's talk about print quality. The Anycubic 4K Plus boasts a 6.6-inch 4K Plus monochrome LCD screen with a resolution of 4096 by 2560. That's better than my TV, folks. Reviewers have praised its outstanding quality and detail, especially for miniatures and scaled-up models. Meanwhile, the AnkerMake M5C promises 0.1 mm precision at a breakneck speed of 500 mm per second. It's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printing, but some users suggest slowing down for better quality. Both offer excellent print quality, but in different ways. Size matters, at least in the world of 3D printing. The Anycubic 4K Plus has a print volume of 143 by 89 by 165 millimeters. It's like the tiny home of 3D printing, but perfect for detailed models. On the other hand, the AnkerMake M5C doesn't even give us exact dimensions because it's too busy bragging about its speed. But trust me, it's got room for your wildest filament fantasies. Reviewers appreciate its compact design and solid build quality, making it suitable for both beginners and professionals. Special features? Oh, we've got those. The Anycubic 4K Plus comes with an upgraded light turbo matrix and a laser-engraved build plate. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Reviewers love the VAT cleaning system and online controls, though some had issues with auto-leveling. Meanwhile, the AnkerMake M5C has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, 49-point automatic bed leveling, and the ability to print with a wide range of filaments. It's practically a Swiss Army knife of 3D printing, with users praising its numerous features and app functionality. Ease of use? Well, the Anycubic 4K Plus comes with its own Photon Workshop Slicer 3.0, which is free forever. Free is good. Some users did find setup and calibration challenging at first, but appreciated the detailed guides available online. The AnkerMake M5C has an app that lets you control it from anywhere, and reviewers highlight its easy setup and user-friendly app. Both are pretty user-friendly, but let's be honest, you'll still need to watch a few YouTube tutorials. Overall, the Anycubic 4K Plus resin 3D printer is praised for its affordability, detailed prints, and innovative features, though some users faced initial setup challenges. The AnkerMake M5C 3D printer is lauded for its speed, versatility, and ease of use, with a few users mentioning minor issues with larger prints. So, who takes the crown? If you're on a budget and love the crisp detail of resin prints, the Anycubic 4K Plus is your new best friend. But if you want speed, versatility, and have a bit more cash to burn, the AnkerMake M5C is your go-to. Either way, you can't lose, unless you don't subscribe to Buy Smart. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which printer you think wins this showdown. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.